Are you listening? Damn.
Deadlifts are one of the most beneficial exercises you can do for your body. When done correctly and consistently, deadlifting can lead to significant improvements in strength, muscle hypertrophy, fat burning, and overall physical performance. In this article, we'll take a closer look at the many benefits of deadlifting and why you should consider incorporating this exercise into your workout routine. First and foremost, deadlifting can lead to stronger muscles and hypertrophy. This exercise targets all of the major muscle groups, including your back, legs, glutes, and core. By lifting heavy weights off the ground, you'll be challenging your muscles to work harder than they would during other exercises. As a result, you'll develop stronger muscles and a more muscular physique. But the benefits of deadlifting don't stop there. This exercise can also decrease the risk of injury by strengthening your core muscles. A strong core is essential for maintaining good posture and preventing back pain, so incorporating deadlifts into your workout routine can have long-term benefits for your health. In addition to building strength and reducing the risk of injury, deadlifting can also improve your sports performance. This exercise is great for athletes who want to improve their power, speed, and agility. By strengthening the muscles used in sprinting, jumping, and other explosive movements, you'll be better equipped to excel in your chosen sport. Another benefit of deadlifting is that it can encourage fat burning. While cardio exercise is great for burning calories, weightlifting can also contribute to weight loss. By building muscle, you'll be increasing your metabolism and burning more calories even when you're at rest. Plus, deadlifting is a great way to target those hard-to-reach areas like your lower back and glutes. But perhaps one of the most underrated benefits of deadlifting is that it can improve your grip strength. Since your fingers are the only thing connecting you to the weight of the bar, deadlifting can help you develop a stronger grip over time. This can be beneficial not just for weightlifting, but for everyday tasks like carrying groceries or opening jars. In addition to improving grip strength, deadlifting can also boost hormones that contribute to muscle growth. Testosterone is one such hormone, and deadlifting has been shown to increase its production in the body. Growth hormone is another hormone that can be stimulated by deadlifting, and it is essential for tissue healing, muscle growth, bone strength, and fat loss. Finally, deadlifting can even improve your cardio. While it's not a traditional cardiovascular exercise, deadlifting can still get your heart rate up and improve your endurance. Doing 5 reps of deadlifts every day can be a great way to challenge yourself and improve your overall fitness. In conclusion, deadlifting is an exercise that offers many benefits for your body and overall health. From building strength and muscle mass to improving sports performance and fat burning, there are many reasons to incorporate deadlifts into your workout routine. If you're new to deadlifting, be sure to start with a light weight and focus on proper form to avoid injury. Over time, you'll be able to increase the weight and see even greater improvements in your strength and overall fitness.